Hey YouTube, this is the long-awaited Halo 9 iLX-F409. I actually tried to purchase a 259 about 8 or 10 months ago from Crutchfield. Their website showed that they had one in stock, but of course they did not. They called me back a little bit later and told me that I could go ahead and pre-order this. It should be coming out in a few months from the time of purchase, and that I would only have to wait a few months. Well, fast forward 10 months, thanks to COVID, these finally came out. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is very similar to the 309 and 259. There are a few differences, which I will post a picture up here. So we got a box here. I'll open this up in a bit. Looks like it's pretty well protected. Kind of opens up. This is the same as the older ones. It says this unit will not power up until the power plate is installed. So it's just a safety measure to make sure that it's totally screwed in to the actual single DIN radio. An empty box there. Pretty well packaged, like I said. And we got the actual radio. Looks like that's it for the main box. So let's get that out of the way. So, head unit here. We got the screen. Let's go ahead and take that out. This is the first time I've opened it up, so I'm not sure. This is what you have to install. Looks pretty nice. Just what I expected. Let's go ahead and get that back in. Now let's see what's in this box here. Owner's manual. Detailed manual there. And we got some wiring. Let's see what's in here. Rear view camera, front out, aux input. There's the USB cord. There's a clip for the mic. Not sure what that is. There's the mic. Mounting hardware. And this is iData link. So that's what it comes with. Long-awaited Halo 9 iLX-F409. Very excited about this. I'm actually going to be installing this in an older Gen 1 Toyota Sequoia. So if you're interested in that video, I'll have an install video with that shortly. So check out my channel. This is a great option for people who want to add any kind of Apple CarPlay, Android Auto to an older car that doesn't have one. And also this interfaces with any kind of mapping software for off-roaders like Gaia or any other kind of topographic map app that you might have. So that's the reason I got this. So like I said, if you're interested in the Sequoia install, check out my other videos on my channel. I got some overland build stuff as well. So thanks for watching.